Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Binance network anomaly problem. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Whenever you are receiving network anomaly problem on your Binance account, then this is a situation where you cannot access any of your cryptocurrency and you will not be able to see your wallet balances or any other operations and interface on your Binance account. Here are some troubleshooting methods you could try out in order to fix the issue. The first thing to look out for is to check if you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, since this issue is commonly faced by people who are using poor internet service. Once you have a stable internet connection, you might be able to solve your issue, but if you still are not being able to solve the problem, the next thing to do is to restart your device. Simply press and hold the power switch and slide the power off button towards the right hand side. Once you reboot your system, go back to your Binance app and see if that fixes the issue. If it still does not work, you can clear your Binance cache or your browser cache if you're using it on a web browser. Simply go ahead and open up settings from your mobile device if you're doing this on your mobile phone and scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage and find Binance application from the list and give it a tap. Tap on Offload app and tap Offload app one more time in the pop-up at the bottom, and doing this will clear out your cache data from your application. Now reinstall the application by tapping on this Reinstall app button and wait until the app gets reinstalled on your mobile device. Once the application is reinstalled, you might be able to solve your issue. If it still doesn't work, the next thing you could do is to update your Binance application, which will fix any bugs on the app, or it'll come up with a performance boost. Simply go open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Binance in the search box. If there is an update button available right next to Binance application, give it a tap in order to update to the latest version of Binance. Once you update your application, you might be able to solve your issue. If nothing else works out, simply delete your Binance application, press hold the app from the app drawer and tap on Remove App, tap Delete App from the pop-up in order to delete your application from your system. Once you delete your app, go back to your App Store or your Play Store and re-download the application back again on your mobile device, and that might help you solve your issue. Those were some of the most easiest and effective troubleshooting methods whenever you are going through Binance network anomaly issue on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.